house is full of people, but my heart still feels alone when the smile sits on my face, yet the tears fall when I'm at home. I have stories I can't carry, I have words I never say, so I place them in my Sajdah. Let them tremble as I pray. Be my friend in the quiet, Ya Allah, hold my hand through the night, Ya Allah, when I'm weak and I don't know what is right, guide my steps in your light, in your light, guide my steps in your light. I have chased so many faces that were walking just like me, tired hearts behind their laughter, searching for a key. If the world can't bear my burdens, if their love will fade and go, let me learn to call you closer. You're the one who will always know. Be my friend in the quiet, Ya Allah, hold my hand through the night, Ya Allah, when I'm weak and I don't know what is right, guide my steps in your light, in your light, guide my steps in your light. When the path is dark and narrow and my chest is caving in, let your mercy be my lantern, let remembrance wash my sins. If I lose each passing shadow, but I never lose your grace, I will never walk in sorrow. With your light upon my face, be my friend